Da na 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 nun 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 na 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 nun 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 na 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 nun 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 nun. Did you get stood up again? Oh, that I feel so bad for him. Should I dance with him? Yeah, I guess. Da-na-na-na-na. Oh, I can see why. Oh, I can see why you were stood up. You're a horrible dancer. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. That was kind of mean. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Why? Because he's my brother. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Well, he sucks. I'm bored. Should I teach you how to dance? Yes. No, thank you. Your feet are already too stubby and you need to work out. I'm not fat. You kind of are. I'm fat. Kind of are. No, I'm not. Just want mommy back. Well, we don't have mommy. We live under a brick mansion. What were you gonna say? I was gonna say a brick mansion. We live under a brick mansion. I mean, you live under a bridge? No, a brick mansion. You live under a brick mansion? No, we live in a brick mansion. We live under a bridge. I'm only telling the truth, man. The truth. I'll let you settle this like failures. That sucked.